when we make pasta, we work directly here. We make like a volcano, okay, with the egg in the middle. It's really difficult to make it. So we start working here, and when you practice and practice and practice home, then and you feel confident, then you can work here. But for me, you can work here for all your life. It's not a problem. It's fine, okay? So put it here and get it. Remember them if you leave them from work. Leave them here. Okay, now. Okay.
That's about 2 cups.
Flour. It's normal flour. We don't have. We have only two kind. One is for pizza, and one is for everything. Okay. Now. Tell them that when you see this, it means it's fresh. Okay. The only thing you have to check is the color and the consistency. I mean, if it seems like an old lady, you know, skin.
Okay.
So pay attention to the smell.
Okay.
Now we start working in the middle, and little by little we start getting always more. This part is easy.
Okay.
The hardest is what you're gonna do. Okay, this is just the beginning. One egg is for 2 persons, so more than 2 persons. So here we have 4 or 5 persons food. So we start getting all flavor. We start making it more and more consistent, more hard. When it starts being impossible to work it with the fork, we start to work with the hand. Poi lo lascio qua. When you need flour, you can get this one. Now, I divide it in 3 parts. There are 2 phases. Okay, the first one is this one. Then there are 2 phases when you work by hands. Okay? In one, first one, since you have something really
Nice.
yeah, how can I say, it's not all together. Okay, it's not a ball. Okay, now we have to work to make it all together. So the first thing we do is just to fold this way and close here. Turn, fold, close. turn, fold, and close. Look. Like closing on it. Close. We take everything, of course. We just leave here the flower, or we take all the piece. Okay, close. Okay, I'm cleaning my hand because I'm leaving this to you. Don't pay attention to your hands because flavor make it dry. So at the end you won't have anything in your hands. Just a little bit of flavor that goes away doing this or washing your hands. So don't pay attention. Just don't do what I'm doing right now. Never do this. Only do what I showed you before. That's because I don't want to leave pieces in my hands. That's the only thing. So fold and close. Fold and close continuously, okay? Now, one piece for everyone. Pay attention not to work in too much flavor together, just a little bit, okay? And then you add when you need it. So, fold, close, turn. Fold, close, turn. Okay, 3 movements. Let's go. Fold. Exactly. Right. No, don't. When you, I speak to one, but it's for everyone. That way, exactly. Don't do this. No, you're not doing pizza. It doesn't matter now. Just close, even if it's big, and close, and close. Okay. Exactly. Add flavor. Add flavor. Both here and also in your hands. If you have questions, just ask me. I'm here to help you. Exactly. Exactly. Great. Now, when it starts being more hard, like yours, feel it, okay? Like yours. Now you start work with this part here. So not just, now you were working with this part with the finger, okay? While now you start work also with the palm, okay? So what you do is always the same, but instead of close, what you do is like rolling. So push down like if you have to roll it, like if you're using this, okay? So fold, okay? And then fold again and again. Exactly. Okay? Why we are doing all this? Put flavor. Flavor. No, you have a lot of flavor. You have a lot. No.
Scrape it out.
Ah, okay. You have flavor. Okay, use it. Don't be afraid to push. Okay. No, it's not. You have not to make this because you break it, you ruin it. No, you have to leave it together. Okay, making it always more together. No flavor now. Exactly. Good. Good. Use your hands. Don't use a fork. Yeah. Yeah, that way.
Okay.
Great. Okay, this is ready. Now a little bit more. Why yours is harder? Because you use a lot of flavor. So it's even harder now to work with this. So, but it's fine. Now, okay, this must be your what you obtain. Now, little work with this. Little by little, when it's sticky, flavor, and continue. Okay, also yours is ready. You a little bit more. Also your case, you're ready. So now you can, like if you're doing a bowl like this one, you can start with this. Okay.
Should I fold? Should I fold?
Yes, continuously. No. Flip.
Okay.
Flip. Yeah. With your hands.
Oh,
Use your hands.
okay.
Still sticky. Strong. Okay, that's how it must be. Now, go. Okay, not only one direction.
Should I
Also,
flour the...
no, it's okay. Exactly, good job. Flip also in the other side. No. Flip means this one. Flip, okay. Work also on this side. It must be a circle. Okay, how she's working is good. Okay, so when you work, just let it go. Push, but try to. Now you have to stretch. Okay, it's the moment to stretch out. Start in the middle and finish the movement outside. Don't work only here, don't work only here. From here, outside. Here, outside. And continuously flip and check if it's sticky or not. Push a little bit more. Flip it. It's sticky. So, take your flavor, make this. Okay, we come now.
Okay.
You have to push more.
Okay.
Now, wait. Try to push in the middle.
Okay.
Because it's smaller.
Okay.
It's not here, it's here.
Yes,
So, try to push in the middle and to stretch it out. Okay.
Okay. Should I flip it over?
Put some flavor on it. it means you risk to make it sticky and break it. This, and then turn it with the color.
Yeah.
Okay. More. Now you can work. Okay. Also yours. It's really yellow. So no. It's full of flavor around. Okay. And moreover, flip it. Now you can work. Okay, try to make this. Stretching it out.
Oh, it's so powerful.
But I'm not just pushing down, but I'm both two vectors, down and outside. So I'm pushing in this direction, okay, with the hands in this way. And when you start, when you start having a big piece, also you, when you have big, also you, now it's the moment that you put it like so, you work from the center, outside, from the center, in this direction, okay, and then you turn it, and work in the other direction, okay, also you.
Okay. Is it still too yellow? Because
No, yeah, put a little bit more. If you push it, then we spend 1 hour to open them, because they just need to make this. Okay, don't push them. Do it. Exactly. Perfect. Great. Don't push them. Great. Now I show it to everyone. Look at me 1 second. With the knife. Not this. Not this. Just a little bit, and with the point scratching. With this part in the center. This one. Not this one. It doesn't matter if this or this. The important is that this part follow this line. We make this. Exactly. Turn it. Now next to that one. Now it's also you. It's it's okay. Doesn't matter no. Okay. Not one over the other one.